Here at KTAuthentics.com, we're going to do two boxes of 2014 Topps Dynasty Baseball for Sawmillthug. Thanks, man. Boxes 1 and 2. Last two boxes of the case. There we go. All right. Any particular order you want me to do, 1 first or 2, or which one would you like me to do first? However I like, we'll do 1 first. There we go. All right, good luck, man. Wow, he won it. Ken Griffey Jr. 7 of 10, baby. Ken Griffey Jr. Boom. 7 of 10. Nice hit. Friggin' awesome card. Nice. That's the first one. Let me check them back. I know it's only the rookies. Alright, let's see. King Griffey was the first one. Next one. This is box number 2. Alright. Craig Baggio, 1 of 10. 4 colors on that patch. Let's see if I can get the 1 of 10. Meh. Let me. Wow. The Griffey though, man. The Griffey's freaking crazy. Look at that, 7 of 10 on the Griffey. Box 3 belongs to I Eat Cardboard Paul. He wants it shipped. So sorry, Drews. Crazy, man. Let me know, Terry, if you want to razz that in his room. Oh, I shouldn't say that on this camera. Hold on.